you're ready to do this calculation. Are you ready for this?
Mm.
Oh, you know what I'm about to do, don't you? If my coin goes to 30 cents, I have more money.
Caleb,
Sure.
Caleb, should I play this whole game with a pizza in my mouth?
Yes.
No.
I think it's a good idea.
As long as
What
Caleb, you
is
didn't
this?
hear
Is
it.
this like a catapult? Can I ride it?
Uh-oh.
Caleb, you forgot about what I said, right? I think he'll forget. Caleb will remember.
Ah! That was not a catapult.
What did you do? Did you step in one of my traps?
He stepped in the deadfall trap I wanted. He's like, is
Wait,
this
how
a
did
catapult?
you set it? Oh, there you go.
Oh, there is Cannibaliz. Canny boys. I see 4
Let's go back.
outside the front gate.
Board.
Yeah, murder.
May I stay
There's
behind?
too many traps.
I'm gonna end your life respectably. Hey, that was not respectful. There's a lot of them.
Oh wow, I'm back onto the trap.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. Retreat! Retreat!
Retreat.
Run away! Hello? Open sesame. There we go. Remember, guys, when you open the door, you gotta say open sesame or else it won't open.
Absolutely
Minecraft
not.
works.
Saying
That's a
anything.
win.
Still attacking.
You're dead.
Say, can't you see?
Wah! Get away, Mrs. Boobies.
Mrs. What?
Hold up, you can look what I sent you.
What did you just say? I hope I didn't think what I heard. Did I?
I saw boobies. Ah! Ow, that wasn't very nice. Dude, I just saw you, like, fly.
Oh dear.
There's a lot of bodies. What we do with bodies, we burn bodies. The smell isn't great, but they sure taste good.
I caught one.
Oh.
Ethan, heavenly.
Pull your leg off and eat it.
Ethan.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Or am I?
I'm
How I saw it once and then I almost cut it down and I realized there was a sap thing on it.
You should have cut it down, Jared.
No!
I'm gonna come cut it down right now.
I will knife hand you in real life.
Where is it? It's right there. Okay. I'm coming.
Jared, I will chainsaw murder you.
Wait, what?
This is so stupid. Get back from my tree! This is so stupid. Hey, are you jealous? Well then, come on. There's more than enough room in this cuddle puddle for one more.
Don't say that. The way you said that made me so incredibly uncomfortable.
No! Where's my tree? I can't find
I
it.
broke it. I put the logs on the zip line too fast and they hit each other and fell off.
Loser.
Oh, I did it again!
Daddy, chill.
If there's 4 logs outside of our base, you know why.
Hakuna your tatas.
Guys, I'm covered in blood again.
You said that like it, the way you said that, I don't know why I just found that funny. Guys, I'm covered in blood again.
What's that?
It's so very loud.
Oh, it is there,
There's a lot of screamy boys.
They're just angry.
They didn't get the pizza. I stole the pizza from them. Well, I appreciate your honesty.
I'm covered in blood again! again.
Oh.
Now I'm cold and wet. I wonder why.
And go stand by the burning bodies.
If I had no idea what you guys were playing, and I just heard you speaking, I would be so confused. Go stand by the burning body. Warm yourself up a little.
Oh,
There was.
that's the thing.
What did you do?
Don't hit spacebar while you're on the zipline, guys.
I saw your name fall and I had a feeling.
Listen. I was curious. I let my intrusive thoughts possess me. I was like, I wonder if spacebar boots you off. Turns out it does.
Oh, I'm back at 100% sanity. I should go eat some more life.
Cause like I'm here alone fighting 2 mutants.
That's okay. You're 50% insane, so we have faith in you.
Okay, so you're telling me that I get covered in blood like every time, and that I didn't?
Ah, maybe you would've ran
Dude,
away.
this guy's glitched. Dude, this guy's glitched. Do you guys see this? We have a pet.
Because he was stuck in a trap.
We have a pet cannibal.
Oh, yeah. It moved.
Bonk 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 bonk. Can you do a trick for me? Can you do a trick? Can you do a trick? Come on, do a barrel, do a rollover. Roll over.
Just kill the thing. Get rid of it.
You can't kill him. I tried. We have a pet. What do we name him? Dude, I got him. Corpse grinder. Corpse grinder.
He's a cannibal.
Go on, buddy. Eat up.
Oh no, he dropped it.
Eat up, buddy.
I could burn him.
No.
Let's get rid of it.
He's
Yes,
my
go on.
friend.
Okay, Ethan, don't be. No. Burn
He's
it right now.
he's harmless.
Oh, please.
He is harmless.
He's literally stuck there.
Oh, I can't stand listening to that thing. Just kill it. Go on. Oh, it's disgusting creature.
Are you taking a chainsaw to corpse grinder?
Come on, just go on.
You can't kill him. Oh, he did a rollover. Look, he's doing tricks for you.
I don't know, I got him.
Damn. Jared's the cannibal whisperer.
He went to attack me and then he just died.
Oh, he's T-posing. Oh, you fixed him. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh,
No,
for heaven's
stand
sake,
straight
it's
up.
this.
Come here, you squirrel.
He doesn't burn.
He doesn't burn. I love that. He is immortal. There's like bodies here, guys, that are still needing to be burned.
Well then pick them up.
I was rebuilding the traps.
Well, that's not my fault. I picked up like 3 bodies.
I picked up a
Mouse help me. Oh, there we go.
Everyone had their assigned duty. This is a
Oh,
communist
yeah,
society
this
after all.
creature.
This is our pet corpse grinder.
Caleb, what did you say?
We are on day 33, or I guess 34.
You said wouldn't that be considered losing your life? I think.
Yes, cannibals becoming a. Yes.
Corpse grinder likes the heat. He's rolling around in the fire. I love
Hey,
this.
does anyone remember that episode of Gravity Falls where he photocopied himself, Dipper, and then there was Paper Jam Dipper that was just like completely munched?
Yeah.
all I can think about
keep
right
setting
now.
off traps.
You're talking
And
about this
we're aching
pet
my arm.
cannibal you have.
We called him corpse grinder. Good corpse grinder, my
I
chat
mean,
goes.
He's rolling around in the fire.
He's
so-
a good boy. Wee. He just wants love, attention with lots of food and water. And by food, we have legs. Alright. Hi. Welcome. Shit. I didn't write anything down before I started doing this. My name's Ethan. I stream on Twitch, Maple1725. So what you just watched was one of my streams where we were playing the Forest, me and a bunch of friends. We play games pretty often, and you should go check us out. I'll put a link in the description. I'd appreciate a follow. That took me close to 6 hours to edit 10 minutes worth of content. And there's still about 50 minutes left from the original stream that I have to go through, but I decided to cut it off at 10 minutes. So if you liked it and you want to see more, please hit the like button and comment down below if you want to see more. And yeah, if you want to show some support, show some love, hit the subscribe button. Honestly, I had a really fun time making this, so even if I get like 2 views, I really don't give a shit. I'll still probably make more and get better at editing and all that stuff. And one more thing. The quality in these videos tends to vary. That's my bad. I literally have a Republic of Gamers laptop, and it's about 2 years old now. So when I stream, sometimes Streamlabs doesn't pick it up very well. On my end, it's fine, but like I look over at Streamlabs. I look over at Streamlabs and it's just lagging. So I'm gonna try and fix that. Try and work on that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, and I'll see you later. Bye.